Alright, these are my favorite 7 EDC Fixed Blades. And just kind of go down the line here. Here we have one of my tried and true, probably one that gets the most use, honestly. The good old classic SC3. Here's the Exodus Knife and Tool Jackalope. The Schwarz Overland. Primitive Bear Knives. Hunter's EDC. I would say this one is probably my second most carried one. The Work Tough Gear Nomad Bushcrafter. The Tops Silent Hero 4. And every great once in a while, if I want to carry something a little bigger, the Becker BK18. What do you guys think on